Good day, Orteans. Your lecturer for today is Professor Allan Santos, top 5 in the March 2012 Criminology's licensure examination. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button to receive the latest updates. Take it away, Allan.
So number 6 tayo guys. Wire fencing can be barbed wire. So yung barbed wire mas less expensive kasi yon sa kapag construction. Chain link or concertina. Okay. Chain link R4. What is your answer? In number 6. Chain link R4, letter A, solid structure ba siya? Least permanent, permanent structure, o semi-permanent? The answer, guys, is delta. Okay? Dahil ang chain link, hindi naman siya solid structure. Dahil kung solid structure siya, hindi siya magiging, ito ay example na tinatawag na full view fence. Okay? Hindi siya solid fence tulad ng wall. Tandaan nyo guys, kailangan nyo ring maunawaan at ma-memorize ang iba't ibang characteristic ng chain link tulad ng height. So, I want you to write this additional information. When it comes to the height, the chain link should be 7 feet tall. Okay? Excluding the top guard. So pag sinabi mong excluding, kasama ba o hindi? Okay. Hindi pa kasama ang top guard. So if you will add the top guard, probably, tama ka Mark, hindi. Magiging 8 to 9 feet ang taas ng iyong chain link fence. So sa height is 70. Pagdating sa gauge wire o yung kapal ng wire or bakal na gagamitin, it should be 9 gauge or heavier. Okay? Or mas matibay pa sa 9. So, please remember, when it comes to mesh opening, yung holes niya, mga butas, okay, it should not be larger than 2 inches. Kasi kung 2 inches, guys, please remember, kasi kung masyadong medyo malaki ang mesh opening, baka makalusot yung kamay, then possibility to compromise yung security. Okay? Ang chain link ay nakatusok ang pole, then nakakabit ang chain link mismo. Kung ang chain link mo ay elevated doon sa ground, dapat hindi rin masyadong malayo sa ground. Take note, the chain link should be elevated 2 inches lang from the ground. Kasi baka pag masyadong malaki ang distance sa ground, malusutan ng mga tao or bata or kaya ng kalalakihan na kayang lumusot sa mga butas na yon. Okay, sa mga puwang na yon. So, but the answer for this one, guys, is semi-permanent. Number 7. What is the minimum age requirement for security guard? What is your answer, guys? Minimum age requirement. 25 ba? 17? Okay? 18 ba? So, alis mo na yung high school kasi hindi naman education ang involved dito. Ang tinatanong is age requirement. So, ang sagot ni Mark, D. Ang sagot ni Raven at ni Jezebel, D. Tama kayo lahat. guys. The answer is letter D. May additional question ako and I want you to answer it. Si Mang Pedro ay 51 years old na. And then, gusto niyang maging security guard. Is he qualified? Yes or no? Is he qualified? Yes or no? Sabi ni Mark, yes. Okay, may iba pa bang sasagot? The answer, guys, is no. Because the maximum age for security, no, guard, mag-apply ka as security guard is 50. You should not be older than 50. 50 years old. When it comes to education, high school graduate ka, okay na yun. As long as you possess, no, the kahit high school graduate ka, as long as you possess the pre-licensing. Okay? Yun ang tawag sa training na security guard. Pre-licensing course or pre-licensing training. So, please remember that. However, if you are, kapag ikaw ay graduate ng ROTC or advanced ROTC, so pwede mo nang ano yung requirements na yun na pre-licensing. Let us now proceed to number 8. What type of gaseous discharge lamp emits a blue-green color? What is your answer? Anybody? Blue-green color. So, anybody could answer? So, kapag ang sagot nyo ay incandescent lamp, yun ang medyo pinakamalayong sagot dito. Hindi yun ang tamang sagot. Because kapag sinabi mong incandescent lamp, ito yung mga common light bulbs na ginagamit sa household natin. Okay? So, that is incandescent lamp. Hindi rin siya delta, hindi rin siya letter D. Kasi when you say quartz lamp, it emits a very bright white light. So, hindi siya blue-green. Very bright white light. Okay, bright light. So, that is quartz lamp. So, you will choose between sodium vapor lamp and mercury vapor lamp. So, ang sagot, guys, is blue-green color, mercury vapor. Kasi the sodium vapor lamp emits yellow light. Kapag tinanong kayo, so this is the type of lamp, guys, sodium vapor, quartz, mercury, incandescent. What is the best lamp to repel insects like mosquitoes? Okay, ano ang sagot? Best for repelling insects like mosquitoes. It was asked sa previous board exam. Ano ang sagot? So guys, please remember the answer is sodium vapor kasi ang insect medyo distracted siya sa yellow light. Okay, so I want you to remember that, guys. Let us now proceed to number 9. Okay, this is one of the question na medyo mahirap. Kung hindi mo babasahin ang batas. A private security agency may be allowed to procure high-powered firearms if they operate in areas, no, when there is an upsurge of lawlessness and criminality, how many percent of high-powered firearms is allowed to be possessed by a private security agency? Okay, guys, no, as a general rule, according to our law, Republic Act 5487, okay, the private security agency law, okay, the private security agency is not allowed to possess a high-powered firearms. Kaya nga lately, President Duterte recall, no, all high-powered firearms possessed by different security agencies. Kung napansin mo niya sa balita, pinaparicall ni President Duterte. However, just like ang alam natin sa ating criminal law, di ba, sa batas, every rule has an exemption. So, ano ang exemption na yan? Be allowed to procure high-powered firearms if they operate in areas, no, when there is an upsurge, no, biglang pagtaas ng krimen at ng biglang pagtaas ng level ng seguridad. So, ang sagot ni Mark, okay, 10%. Sagot ni Raven, 10%. Very good. No? You are both correct. Okay. Let us now proceed to number 10. What is the minimum number of security guards required in the company guard force in order to secure a regular license to operate? Tandaan nyo guys, no, kahit ito ay isang company guard force, hindi siya private security agency, ay siya ay nire-required pa rin na mag-procure ng LTO. Hindi ito yung mga nanguhuli sa atin na mga kinaiinisan natin sa kalsada. Pag sinabing LTO rito, license to operate. License to operate. So, katulad din ng private security agency, kailangan nilang mag-apply for LTO. So, anong sagot dito? Ito yung minimum number ng security guards sa company guard force para mabigyan sila ng LTO. Sabi ni Jodeline, 30. Sabi ni Raven, 30 rin. Hindi pwedeng maging 300. Okay. Parang Sparta lang, di ba? Awa. Okay. So, hindi rin 100. So, ito yung dalawang malayong sagot. So, mamimili tayo between Bravo and Delta. Pero ang Delta, yung 200 na sinasabi dyan, ayan ay ang minimum requirement sa number of security guards employed by a private, no, security provider or agency. So, hindi yan ang sagot. So, the answer is Bravo, 30. So, please remember, guys.
If you want to learn more from him, take our Road to 1 Million challenge. If this channel hits 1 million subscribers, we will release the rest of his lectures. Or you can watch the rest of his lectures now by enrolling in Ortea Criminology Review. Just message us on our Facebook account for more details. See you soon, Orteans!